In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Imageclass LBP632Cdw printer with the Windows laptop. On the home screen, scroll down and select the option wireless LAN setting and press OK. From the list, select your wireless network and press OK. To enter the password, click on the OK button. It will take you to the entry mode. You have an option to go for uppercase, lowercase and numbers, and just use the keypad to enter the password. Once you completely enter the password, you can just select apply and press OK and confirm the settings yes. In case your printer doesn't connect to the wireless network, that means you don't have enough wireless signal, so you have to move printer near the Wi-Fi network. So printer is connected, click on the home button. In case you are entering the password and you do mistake entering that, you can just click on the C, that is clear. So this will remove the last entry and you can just re-enter again. So we have connected printer to the home or office Wi-Fi network. Now go to your Windows laptop. We have to download the drivers. Go to the web browser. Go to the web browser and type in Canon Imageclass LBP632Cdw driver. It will take you to the Canon website, Canon USA. Select your printer. If you scroll down, you will see your printer. Then it will display software, drivers, manual. So if you click on the software and driver option, it will ask you to select your operating system. Select the first driver. So total 4 drivers are here. You can just select one by one. Open file. Confirm yes. And that is installed. Now close this window. You can also download the additional drivers. So let's print a document. Select your printer and click on the print icon. So this way we can do the setup of the printer and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.